So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the star rating filter here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, either go to the bottom left and press on home or search, then go to the top left and press on stay. Once you're on stay here, select a location of your choice. So for this demonstration, I will use New York City. Now, in order to edit the star rating filter, so basically this is how many stars the rating is, or it was given. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you can actually do is go to the top here. There's a whole bunch of different ratings, right? You can go amenities, guest rating, price, etc. We don't actually want any of those. Go to where it says filters right here, right beside popular, press on the sort and filters tab. Now, if you keep scrolling down, to where it says star rating. You can select 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 stars. So maybe, for example, you're looking for options that are just 4 and 5 stars. Make sure those two are highlighted. Go to the bottom and press on done. Now what the listings will be showing you guys are star ratings that are going to be 4 and 5 or whatever you guys put in regards to edit or whatever you edited in the star rating filter. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit the star rating filter here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.